Hello, my lovely students. I hope you're doing well today. I'm doing great. I am doing good, but I miss you guys. I miss you so much. But I am so glad that I have so many nice memories with you. I have many nice memories about our classes, our breaks, the time we played, the time we run outside. So many times we had very good times. So all of those memories will always be in my heart and in my mind. So let's go ahead and start with today's English lesson. Today we are doing grammar, and the title of today's lesson is Simple Past Tense. Simple Past Tense. So we're gonna be talking about the past, how we can speak when we are speaking about the past. And we have a special friend today with us, Uncle Ed. Uncle Ed is going to help us understand simple past tense. So let's start. At the end of this lesson, you're gonna be able to say, I can identify simple past tense verbs. I can write sentences using simple past tense verbs. I need you to pause this video and go to YouTube to watch this one. You're gonna find the link in the description below. Go watch it, listen and watch it very carefully, and then come back to this lesson. So let's see. Let's explain these two sentences. Now, when we talk about writing simple past tense, what we are going to focus is in the verb. So the verb are the action words. So this is what we're going to focus with. Now, we play with modern games. This is present. This is about right now. We play with modern games. But if we want to talk about the past, we will add ed to the word. Play will turn into played. Children played with old-fashioned toys in the past. So we are talking about the past tense. When we need to talk about the past, we will add ed to the verb. The verb in this sentence is play. But since we are talking about the past, we will add ed. So let's review again. Past tense verbs. Verbs is the action word. Tell about actions that already happened, that happened in the past. Could be yesterday, could be last week, could be 2 years ago. Regular past tense verbs end in ed. So now here we have Uncle Ed to explain for us much better in the next slide. Here is Uncle Ed. Uncle Ed is very old. He likes to remember things that happened in the past. With most verbs, we can add Uncle Ed's name to change the verb to the past tense. So he's going to help us, and we're not going to forget that Uncle Ed needs to be there at the end of the verbs to make it past. So he's going to tell us about the day he walked in the park. He says, I walked in the park. We added ed or ed to walk because Uncle Ed did this in the past. He walked in the park. He says, I walked in the park. He also says, I poured the milk into my cereal. He poured the milk into my cereal. We added ed or ed to pour because Uncle Ed did this in the past. And again he says, I poured the milk into my cereal. Did you have cereal today? Alright, next, I played football. I miss watching you playing football. I played football. We added Ed to play because Uncle Ed did this in the past. So when we talk about the past, we add what? We add ed, ed, just like Uncle Ed's name. Now we have two different tasks. You can choose to complete task number 1 or task number 2. For task number 1, add ed to the end of these verbs to show that Uncle Ed did them in the past. Now there is a little secret that I have to tell you. For words that already end in e, you add only d. You don't need to repeat the e 2 times. And after you change these words into past, you choose 2 verbs to write meaningful sentences. In task number 2, add Uncle Ed's name to the following verbs: clean, brush, kick. And then for closure, catch the butterflies needed to spell the missing verb in the sentence. Now you need to figure out which word goes here that you can make with these letters. My brother watched TV last night. So think of what word will go here and find it out in the letters down here that the butterflies are holding. And thank you so much for today's lesson, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.